shop for a long time for it to actually be 18-wheeler friendly, and because of that hailstorm that came through, we're actually going to do it now. We had to redo it all anyway, so we were like, let's go big, tall. We're remodeling the whole thing. This guy is so smart. He's going to do it all. I think he's going to have like a couple buddies come over and help. But yeah, we're going, how big?
70 by 60.
70 by 60. Right now it's a 30 by 30, and then it has like 2 overhangs.
Like 25 foot.
25 foot, and it's not tall enough for anything. And we're gonna be concreting everything, and we're gonna have like 4 bays and all this space to do things, and like a spot just for painting. And I'm gonna have a new office in there, and we're gonna tear down the old office because I don't like where it's at. Really excited. And then maybe, just maybe, once that's done, we'll start taking on customers. I don't know, we're still talking about it, but I'm so excited about this that we won't have to roll around in the granite anymore, or like our videos won't be like when we're walking. I'm fired up. I'm so excited about it. We were gonna do a big shop when we lived back in our hometown, and this guy, super nice, he like wanted to help us and do all this stuff, but I'm really glad we didn't do it back then, because we would have never moved away from there. We probably would have never started Instagrams. We wouldn't have the water company. Like, our lives would be totally different and probably kind of shitty. So I'm really glad that we didn't stay over there and do that then, and that it's happening now. So we're on the way now to pick up some steel. We're getting the I-beams and purlings and posts. And I don't know when we're starting, because there is like a lot of rain in our forecast, but we're one step closer. Only 10 years in the making, but we're finally here. What was that? Oh, that thing is huge. It's coming back. It's a wasp. We got our I-beam. We're building this shop right. Every time we've just like added on here or there, we'll just use like purlins or something, but we're taking the whole thing down and getting bigger.
I'm gonna move over there so that way we're not in the way.
Okay. We just got everything ordered. We got our I-beams and our posts strapped down, and we're gonna head home. Last time Blake picked up, what were you picking up, just purlins?
Just that red iron.
Just this red iron, and he pulled out and everything fell off the trailer. I don't know why I wasn't here. He was with his dad, but yeah.
One strap, that's all you need.
OSHA approved, DOT approved. I'm here back at our metal supply because we needed more purlings than what we had planned for, so yeah, I came to pick them up. And got all the steel, all the tin, and got like home, and they called and I forgot the screws. So I just got home, switched trucks because it was like 3, they closed at 5, had to drive all the way back. At least I had company this time, but we had to drive all the way back in traffic there and traffic back because now it's 5 o'clock. But we have the screws, and Blake got some welding leads, so it wasn't a total loss cause, but was
Holy
that...
shit.
Was
Prime
that...
has their own airplane now?
I thought they always had. Isn't that like how they get it there so fast?
I mean, I thought they just shipped to UPS.
That makes no sense.
Yeah. Sometimes your Prime and Amazon packages come UPS. When did they get their own airplanes?
I don't know. But...
God. Just from shipping dildos, they already got an own plane.
Probably a lot of them.
And here we are being dildos, and we can't even
I can't believe I forgot the screws. But then when we got there, the guy was so nice. Because he said it was his fault, so I just kind of leaned into that. But I knew what I was buying.
It was just two dumbasses don't know what they're doing is what it amounted to.
Well, no, so I walked in, I buy the screws. Well, then I like got some other stuff that wasn't on the ticket. And then I walked in and out like 3 times, and then I forgot about the screws. And then I went out and had to wait to get loaded, and then I had to move all over the place. And then I got loaded, and I was strapping, then it was 3,000 degrees outside.
Just 2 women out there
and
trying to load the trailer.
I never saw the screws, so it just like left my mind.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
$200 in diesel later, we got them damn screws.
Hey, but Blake got $40 off his welding leads. What a smoking deal.
What a deal.
Yeah.
Man, we should have bought 2 sets of leads.
We should have. We would have got $80 off.
Yeah, probably still would have been 40.
That's a good deal. We got my little strawberry butt. She started her period last night, so she's sleeping. Oh. So, yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Today, Blake and I are going to get some retaining wall blocks. They're just like concrete blocks that we're going to stack up so that we, almost hit him, so that we can stack them up to hold our slab fill so that we don't have to have such a thick slab. So that's what we're doing. But we're just hauling it on this trailer kind of like raggedy because we live like literally a mile down the road from here. Only need 16 of these, so we're gonna do 2 trips of 8, and we're not strapping or anything like that because we ain't got to.
I ain't got it.
I ain't got it. Our chain just broke. Blake's hot and grumpy. We got the big boy now. We were just being lazy using that little one, but this one should work a lot better. Y'all are wondering, this is 24,000 pounds on 2 7,000 pound axles. Doing pretty good. Them tires aren't happy though. We just have to unload these right over there. This is our second, what do you call it? Load. And then we're done. I'm going to eat. All right, so we're all unloaded. And this is where it's for. We're gonna be taking this whole shop down and tops drop. They're gonna be like stacked all down here because the shop is gonna go where the pole is over here. It's gonna be that wide, that long.
So we gotta bring a bunch of slab fill in and bring this up.
And bring this all up. We're gonna cut all them trees down, and the peak of the barn is gonna be in the middle now. So it'll all be closed in and it's gonna look so much better. So we're taking all these trees out right here and gonna burn them up because the slab is gonna come out to like right here. I think Blake's dad's over there crying. I don't think y'all know how happy I am that all of this is gone. I've rolled my ankle right here about 7,200 times in the last year, and now it's gonna be concrete. I don't think this guy's ever touched a power tool in his life. Look at him go. All right, I'm back to looking like a 14-year-old boy, It is day 2 of actually working on the shop. I didn't do anything yesterday. I just tanned. It was too hot. So let's go out. We are going to take the left awning side of the roof off. We are getting some dirt hauled in today, like some slab fill, and hopefully we can get a huge portion of the shop taken down today. Yesterday, Blake got done with so much. This whole 3 walls came down. These walls came down. We got all the trees out. Today we're gonna be taking at least this roof off and all of this down and the poles down. He's gonna be setting these blocks along here to get for the slab fill to go to. We have some guys coming to haul some dirt in. So he's gonna be doing a lot of dirt work today. And maybe me and Blake's dad can get these walls down and the back walls down.
You wouldn't want to grab my...
I'm procrastinating. I don't really want to start.
You wouldn't want to grab my sunglasses, huh? Where are they at?
They're on the counter in the house.
On the right side of the stove. A stove?
Sitting against the wall.
What are you doing?
Oh, you know, just doing man stuff out here.
Have your nuts dropped yet?
Yeah, look. See them? They're little right now, but maybe they'll grow one day. Well, we got the roof off of this side.
Take all the screws out and send me down like a damn water slide.
I'm sorry, you were going fast, so I wanted to keep up.
Yeah, keep up all the way to the ground.
I didn't want you to yell at me.
You almost got yelled at for falling down.
You wouldn't have gone that far.
Shit.
It's so not sloped. I didn't even...
Okay, then why did it move?
I didn't move.
Put 250 on a sliding roof. Not a fun situation, Papa. Where do you want it?
We have a guy coming to haul us some slab fill, but we have a bunch on the hill and he's not here yet, so I figured we'd just start moving some back and forth. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm not complaining because I get to sit in the AC and they're outside in the heat. Well, actually Blake is sitting in the AC too in the skid steer, so poor Blake's dad. It's like a mini rock quarry out here.
So we're out here sweating like swamp people, setting these blocks. Once we get all these set, we gotta have slab fill. Comes all the way up to the top. She's sucking up some AC. Dad, is it hot? Alright, well, I gotta grab this block.
Right there?
Yeah, set it down a little bit. Come in a little bit more. Alright, set it down.
Is it crooked?
That's pretty damn close. It could be go up on that side.
Yeah, we need to go up on the height.
Okay.
Good?
Probably a little bit more on that side.
Yeah, just a little bit. So I don't have a clip to end this video, so this is it. I'm actually going to get my nails done. I've been hauling dirt back and forth to the pad all day, and I'm meeting my friend to get my toes done because it is my friend's birthday tomorrow. But yeah, so we're not going to be doing anything with the shop tomorrow, but yeah, the pad is almost done, and stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.